Hello world! Welcome back to another Inter-Galactic CTF 2022 write-up video. In this video, we'll be walking through both level unlock challenges. Let's get into it. So for the intermediate unlocker, all you have to do is click submit. And the prompt says, click me to unlock the intermediate level of challenges and continue your interstellar quest for Pharaoh's intergalactic exploration team. So yeah, like I said, all you got to do is submit it and you've unlocked the intermediate challenges, which is why I already have it done, because I didn't know if it was like a trick or not. So let's move on to the big one, Advanced Plus Unlocker. This is the one that's stumped a lot of people, and you'll see why here in a second. Solve me to unlock the advanced category of challenges. Well, I had a flag to give you. It was my password wrapped in IGE flag format. But then someone hashed the flag, and there's a hash right here, and that is indeed an MD5 hash. Now the thing is, you can Google that MD5 hash, throw it into CrackStation. You're not going to get it though, because the IGE flag format is hashed with the password, which is too unique for it to be even considered to be added to the rainbow tables, or in the rainbow tables that are available online or wherever, right? So that got me thinking, there's not a lot of information here, so why don't I just try using rocku.txt and wrapping it in the flag format and comparing the hash value that I get by MD5ing that string. And that's exactly what I did. So over here you'll see I have a crack.py script, and I'll go ahead and open it up so we can take a look at it. So here's all I did. I imported the hashlib library, of course, because that's what you need to compute hashes, and I opened the rocku.txt file wherever it's located on your system. I did it as read bytes because, well, I originally just opened it up normally, but it had trouble because I guess there was some kind of faulty character in it, so I had to open it as read bytes. And of course I defined a lines variable that grabbed all the lines, and then I looped through the lines, and then for each line of rocku.txt, remember rocku.txt is just a literal list, line by line list of passwords, commonly used passwords. And I define a hash variable, of course, and that's where I do my actual MD5, where I take the line and I strip it because it, you know, has the new line character added to the line by default. And of course, for the hashlib library, at least in Python 3, you need to make sure that you're doing bytes. So I do the flag format, right? Bytes, IGE, open curly brace, and then the password that I want to try hashing, and then the closing brace. And then I get the hex digest, because that's what we're going to be comparing here. And then I just say, if the hash is equal to the hex digest, then we're going to print out the, you're going to print out the flag, right? And then we do line.strip again, of course, because that new line is still there. And then we do .decode to convert the byte array to a string. And of course, I just concatenate the flag format around the password. That way it's easy to copy and paste. So hopefully this isn't too complicated to understand, but let's go ahead and try running it. And it'll take it a few seconds. And there you go. So the password ended up being Galactic Force. And so this should be our flag. I can highlight it. And let's submit. All right, and that unlocks all the advanced challenges. So if you enjoyed the video, drop a like and subscribe to the channel to show your support. Turn on post notifications to get regular injections of cyber content directly into your feed. Check out our Patreon, join our Discord, and follow us on Twitter. Links in the description box down below. And leave any feedback or questions in the comments section down below. This is Almond Milk. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, world.